Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've unlocked the secret to making your money work for you. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more financial stress. Sounds like a dream? Stick with me for the next 30 minutes, and this dream could become your reality. Let's turn your financial future from confusion into confidence.
Why is it that some people seem to have everything figured out financially, while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer isn't luck.
It's knowledge. Financial success is not reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It's for anyone who's willing to learn. And the truth is, most people were never taught these skills. Schools don't focus on it, and many parents don't know how to pass it on. But today, you're taking control of your financial future. Let's start with the foundation: managing your money. The most critical step to financial success is understanding how much money you have and where it goes. 1. Budgeting simplified. A budget isn't a punishment, it's a plan. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Here's a simple way to start. Write down all your income sources and your essential expenses. Then, track your spending for a month. You'll be surprised where your money actually goes. Example: meet Sarah. She thought she didn't have money to save until she tracked her expenses and realized she was spending $200 a month on coffee shops. By making coffee at home, she started saving that money. 2. Saving versus investing. Savings are like your financial safety net, while investments are the ladder that takes you higher. Start by building an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once that's done, you can start investing. 3. Good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, can help you build wealth. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains it. Always prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Now, let's talk about growing your money. You don't need a financial degree to invest wisely. You just need to understand a few key concepts. 1. The magic of compound interest. Compound interest is interest on your interest. It's how a small investment today can turn into a fortune tomorrow. Example: if you invest $100 a month starting at age 20, with an average 8% return, you'd have over $350,000 by age 60. If you wait until you're 30 to start, you'd have just $150,000. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. 2. Types of investments. Let's break down some common investments in simple terms. Stocks. Buying shares of a company. High risk, high reward. Bonds. Loans to companies or governments. Lower risk, steady returns. Mutual funds. A mix of stocks and bonds, managed by professionals. Real estate. Buying property to rent or sell. Can be very profitable, but requires more effort. 3. Assessing risk. Every investment has risks. Higher risk usually means higher potential rewards, but you need to understand your risk tolerance. Diversifying your investments, spreading your money across different assets can help reduce risk. Let's face it, we all make mistakes, but financial mistakes can be costly. Here are some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Overspending. One of the biggest traps is lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more. The key is to live below your means and save the difference. 2. Ignoring retirement savings. Many people think retirement is too far away to worrying about, but the earlier you start, the easier it will be. Take advantage of employer-sponsored plans like 401ks, especially if they offer matching contributions. 3. Falling for scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious of quick rich schemes and guaranteed high returns. Always do your research and consult a financial advisor. Story: John invested in a sure thing cryptocurrency scheme and lost his entire savings. Always remember, if someone pressures you to invest quickly, it's a red flag. Now it's time to put it all together and create a financial plan that works for you. 1. Set clear goals. Write down your short-term and long-term goals. Maybe you want to pay off debts, buy a house, or save for retirement. Clear goals give you direction. 2. Take action today. Start small, but start now. Automate your savings, even if it's just $10 a week. Increase it as you can. 3. Review regularly. Your financial plan isn't set in stone. Review it regularly and adjust as needed. Life changes, and so should your plan. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Each small step you take today brings you closer to a future where money is a tool, not a stressor. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Stay tuned for more in-depth courses to take your financial knowledge to the next level. Tips for financial success. 1. Automate your finances. One of the easiest ways to stay on track is to automate your savings and bill payments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts right after payday. This pay yourself first strategy ensures that you save consistently without having to think about it. 2. Track your net worth. Your net worth is a snapshot of your financial health. Calculate it by subtracting your liabilities, debts from your assets, savings, investments, property. Tracking your net worth over time helps you see progress and stay motivated. 3. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. Not sure how to allocate your income? Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, rent, groceries, bills, 30% for discretionary spending, entertainment, dining out, 20% for savings and investments. This simple framework helps balance living well today with preparing for tomorrow. 4. Invest in yourself. Your best asset is you. Invest in education, skills, and personal development. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Whether it's taking courses, attending workshops, or reading books, continuous learning pays off. 5. Use financial apps. Leverage technology to your advantage. Apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, and personal capital can help you track expenses, set goals, and manage investments. Find one that works for you and use it regularly. 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. When you get a raise or a bonus, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, use that extra income to increase your savings or pay down debt. This simple habit can dramatically accelerate your financial goals. 7. Diversify your income streams. Relying on one income source can be risky. Look for ways to diversify, whether it's a side hustle, freelance work, or passive income from investments. Multiple income streams can provide financial stability and open up new opportunities. 8. Understand taxes. Taxes can be complicated, but understanding the basics can save you money. Know your tax bracket, take advantage of deductions and credits, and consider working with a tax professional to maximize your returns. 9. Practice mindful spending. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will this bring me closer to my financial goals? Delaying gratification and being intentional about spending helps avoid unnecessary expenses. 10. Build a financial support system. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals. Join online communities or local groups focused on personal finance. Sharing your journey with others can provide motivation, accountability, and valuable insights. 11. Set smart financial goals. Goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save money, set a goal like, I will save $5,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months. This clarity helps you stay focused and track your progress. 12. Learn to negotiate. Negotiation isn't just for business deals. You can negotiate your salary, bills, rent, and even purchases. Many people leave money on the table because they're afraid to ask. Practice negotiating. It could save or earn you thousands over time. 13. Understand credit scores. Your credit score affects everything from loan approvals to interest rates. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low and check your credit report regularly. Improving your credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities. 14. Avoid emotional investing. Market ups and downs are normal. Don't let fear or excitement drive your investment decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid making impulsive moves based on short-term market changes. 15. Create multiple savings buckets. Instead of one big savings account, create separate buckets for different goals like vacations, a new car, or a home down payment. This makes saving more organized and motivating. 16. Practice the 24-hour rule. Impulse purchases can derail your budget. If you're tempted to buy something expensive, wait 24 hours. More often than not, the urge will pass, and you'll save money. 17. Stay clear of payday loans. These loans might seem like a quick fix, but their extremely high interest rates can trap you in a cycle of debt. Always explore other options, like borrowing from family, or negotiating payment plans with creditors. 18. Prioritize health insurance. Medical emergencies can be financially devastating. Ensure you have adequate health insurance to protect yourself from unexpected medical bills. It's a crucial part of any financial plan. 19. Consider a financial advisor. Sometimes, professional guidance can make a big difference. A certified financial planner (CFP) can help you create a personalized plan, especially as your financial situation becomes more complex. 20. Take advantage of employer benefits. Check if your employer offers benefits like 401k matching, health savings accounts (HSAs), or education reimbursement. These benefits can significantly boost your financial health at little or no extra cost to you. 21. Review subscriptions regularly. Subscriptions for streaming services, apps, or memberships can quietly drain your money. Review them every few months and cancel those you no longer use or need. 22. Use the snowball or avalanche debt method to pay off debt faster. Choose a strategy. Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. Avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest debt first to save the most money. 23. Understand inflation. Inflation erodes the value of money over time. Make sure your savings and investments grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. This means looking beyond low-interest savings accounts for long-term goals. 24. Build a side hustle. Having a side hustle can increase your income and provide a safety net. Find something you enjoy or a skill you can monetize. Even a few hours a week can make a big financial difference. 25. Avoid lifestyle comparison. Social media can create pressure to keep up with others. Remember, you don't know their financial reality. Focus on your own goals and progress. 26. Invest in index funds. Index funds offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in the stock market. They track a market index, like the S&P 500, and provide broad diversification. Perfect for beginners. 27. Keep learning. Personal finance isn't something you learn once and forget. Stay updated by reading books, listening to finance podcasts, and watching educational videos. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. 28. Automate bill payments. Late fees and penalties can add up quickly. Set up automatic payments for your recurring bills to avoid missed deadlines and protect your credit score. Just make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid overdrafts. 29. Conduct a monthly financial review. Set aside time each month to review your finances. Check your budget, track your spending, and assess your progress towards your goals. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. 30. Utilize cashback and rewards programs. Make your spending work for you by using cashback credit cards or rewards programs. Just be sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. 31. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts. Many service providers, from internet companies to insurance agents, offer discounts if you simply ask. Whether it's negotiating a lower rate or inquiring about available promotions, a quick conversation can save you money. 32. Avoid co-signing loans. Co-signing might seem like a helpful gesture, but it makes you legally responsible for the debt. If the borrower defaults, your credit score and financial health could suffer. 33. Practice no-spend days or weeks. Challenge yourself to go a day or even a week without spending money. It builds discipline and helps you identify unnecessary expenses. You might discover how much you can save by avoiding impulse purchases. 34. Know the power of sinking funds. Create sinking funds for predictable but irregular expenses like holidays, car maintenance, or home repairs. This strategy helps you avoid dipping into savings or going into debt when these costs arise. 35. Limit convenience spending. Convenience purchases, like takeout or ride shares, can quietly drain your budget. Plan ahead to minimize these expenses. Pack lunches, use public transport, or carpool. 36. Create an estate plan. An estate plan isn't just for the wealthy. It ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes and can prevent legal complications for your family. Start with a simple will and update it as your situation changes. 37. Protect your identity. Identity theft can derail your financial life. Use strong passwords, monitor your bank statements, and consider a credit monitoring service to detect unauthorized activity early. 38. Understand opportunity cost. Every financial decision involves opportunity costs, the benefits you give up by choosing one option over another. Always consider what you might be missing out on before making big spending or investment decisions. 39. Don't mix emotions with money. Emotional spending, whether from stress or excitement, can harm your finances. Before making big purchases, take a step back, assess your emotions, and make sure you're making a rational decision. 40. Start a financial journal. Track your financial journey in a journal. Document your goals, achievements, setbacks, and lessons learned. It's a powerful way to stay motivated and reflect on your progress. 41. Understand asset allocation. Asset allocation, dividing your investments among different categories like stocks, bonds, and cash, is key to managing risk. Your mix should reflect your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. 42. Take advantage of free financial resources. Many tools and resources are available for free, from budgeting apps to online courses and financial literacy programs. Use them to build your knowledge without spending extra money. 43. Consider dollar cost averaging (DCA). DCA involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and removes the stress of timing your investments. 44. Check your insurance coverage. Make sure you have adequate insurance for your home, car, health, and life. Underinsuring can leave you vulnerable, while overinsuring means wasting money on unnecessary coverage. 45. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Transfer a portion of your income to your savings or investment account as soon as you get paid. It prioritizes your financial future. 46. Rent versus buy considerations. Buying a home isn't always better than renting. Consider factors like your lifestyle, job stability, and the total cost of home ownership, maintenance, taxes, insurance before deciding. 47. Set boundaries on lending money. Helping friends or family financially can strain relationships if not managed carefully. Only lend money afford to lose, and be clear about repayment terms. 48. Celebrate small wins. Financial goals take time, so celebrate milestones along the way, whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal. Acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated. 49. Avoid payday advances and high-interest loans. These quick cash solutions often come with extremely high interest rates, trapping you in a cycle of debt. Explore other options like personal loans from banks or credit unions.
Remember, financial success isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Small, smart decisions made every day will compound over time, just like your investments. You've got this.
50. Keep a long-term perspective. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Market downturns and financial setbacks are normal, Stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid panic decisions.